Hey butterflies, it's Melissa. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is my January plan with me. I'm using the January kit from my shop, Butterfly Planner. This is for the Happy Planner. I also have it for in standard size, which is Erin Condren, and a lot of other planners. So between the two, you can probably have yours fit. If at any time you want this to say a different month, just send me a message and I can change it out like that, or add, a note to the order. And yeah, so this is late, and I was gonna put this one up first, but then I was talking about stuff in my weekly plan with me video, and I was like, oops, I did this backwards. So they're going up backwards from what I originally intended, but that's okay. No big deal. But these are being filmed all on the same day. So I just covered up Vicky and Mimi, but that's okay. I went back to doing the monthly kits, but like with the actual month on it, because I feel like it just is easier, and there was more, it's easier for people to understand like as a whole. And then if you want it for a different month, you can just let me know. So I don't know if I'm in the mood to put the date dots down. I think I might hold off. I do have some birthdays I want to put in here. So where are my little hearts? I know I have one birthday one in here. There's this present. Well, there we go. So both my godson and one of my friends is this day. My mom's is the 19th. She's passed away. And then my cousin's is the 28th. Yeah. But yeah. So we started school back also on Thursday. So I want to put this little guy. I'm going to use the darker color. I am not doing well. Like that. I'm just going to put him here. And then I don't know. I took a test on Tuesday, so we'll do that. And I had a meeting on Wednesday. We had like a staff in service day. What could I use for that? I think I'll use this butterfly from the numbers. So this week has been like super crazy. I also have like a bunch of basketball games but for my nephews, but I don't know which ones we're going to, so I don't want to. We did though do this breakfast with them. So I'm gonna put this little coffee cup here. They had like a 4-H thing where they were selling stuff, so we went to that. I think what I'm gonna do is just put the date dots, like if I use one of these like on the day. So that's the 3rd. Although maybe I won't, because then it just kind of looks cool. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Should I leave it like that or put the date dot? Oh, I'm just gonna had another one of these. Why did I grab another one of these? Meetings. I don't know. Because I want to use a heart for the 17th because I don't have work, so that is awesome. And then I am going to, I could have used this one for the, I'm going to put payday, which is the 31st. So where's my little piggy guy? So right there, payday. And then I'm pretty sure I'm going to go to the game on this Saturday. So I'm going to put that one there. I'll write it in, and same with, I think it's this one. The nice thing about these stickers is, especially on the thicker paper, you can, if you're slow, they will come off, even after a couple days. So that's kind of nice. Even though they're technically not like removable, they still are. So there's that. Let's do our sidebar real fast. And then we'll fill in these guys. So I'm going to put my book of the month right here, cover up the rest of Mickey and Minnie. I have been reading the Bridgerton series. I finished the first book and I'm now on the last one, and it's really good. Like, I've already watched the series, but I thought it would be fun before the new season comes out to get, what do you call it, read a couple of the books. They're fun. They're easy reads. Okay, so let's put our little guys down. I love him so much. I want to put him somewhere in the center. Let's put it on the 12th. And, oh, it's National Sticker Day on the 13th. I should do something for that. I think I'm going to put this one down here just to kind of like anchor it in some way. That's crooked, but I'm okay. And then we need one like over here. We'll do the 27th. I don't think anything is on that day, but I can always overlay. Okay. Okay, there we go. I freaked out for a second because I thought I wasn't recording, and I was like, no. So here it is in all its glory. I think it's really pretty, and I'll fill it in with pen, and I'll show you guys what it looks like later. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.